Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to set up an arterial line. Once you have gathered your supplies from the advanced procedure cart, you will start by burping the bag to prevent any air bubbles from entering the system. You will do this by inverting the bag of saline and gently squeezing the bag to force out any remaining air bubbles. Place the 1 liter normal saline in the pressure bag, ensuring the bag is inflated to 300 millimeters of mercury. Locate the pigtail near the transducer. Pull the pigtail to begin flushing saline through the line. While keeping the flush flowing, open each stopcock to air, one at a time, starting closest to the transducer and working your way distally. This allows air to escape fully from each port. Continue flushing until you see a steady stream of fluid with no visible air bubbles. Once each port is primed, replace every open stopcock cap with a sterile red cap. These caps help maintain a closed, sterile system. This next step is extremely important. Check every connection point in the tubing system. The tubing does not come fully tightened from the manufacturer, so be sure to hand tighten all lure locks and transducer connections. A loose connection can lead to leaks, waveform distortion, or serious complications. Replace the distal end cap with a sterile red cap. You will now connect the pressure transducer cable. Attach the gray end of the cord to the transducer tubing. Then connect the red end of the cord to the Phillips monitor. Make sure it clicks securely into place. First, ensure the pressure transducer is leveled at the phlebostatic axis, the fourth intercostal space at the mid-axillary line. Turn the stopcock on the transducer so it's open to air and closed to the patient. Remove and discard the red cap. On the Phillips monitor, tap the arterial waiver label on the screen. Select 0 art, then press 0. The monitor will display a 0 beep twice and display a second 0. You will now place a new red sterile cap and return the stopcock to the open position to resume pressure monitoring. To improve waveform visibility, adjust the pressure scale by clicking on the art wave. Click Optimum Scale. Pull the pigtail flush device briefly to check the waveform response. If the waveform is overdamped or underdamped, check for air bubbles, kinks, or loose connections. Your arterial line is now zeroed, scaled, and waveform tested, ready for accurate and continuous monitoring.